Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable the face unlock in your ZTE Blade V70 Vita. The first thing that you need to do is to open these links. Now you need to go straight to the security and privacy option over here and tap set a screen lock. Here tap pattern, for example, make yourself a pattern. Of course it doesn't have to be a pattern, it can be, as you can see, a screen lock. It can be here PIN code or complex password with alphanumeric signs. So once you have done your screen lock, tap face and fingerprint unlock. Enter your pattern right here and tap face unlock. Done. Create now and put your face to start. That's it. That's all things. That are all the things you have to do. Goodbye.